Right, so if you've seen the latest version, latest video from the Fan Showdown, you may have seen this. Now this is actually my design. Here's the original parts from it. I have some photos. And it performed reasonably well. I thought it was funny that the was 420. Only I could do that. That's absolutely hilarious. Oh, sorry, 420 feet per minute. 55.4 CFM. And that's the thing, these aren't really meant for just airflow, they're meant for static pressure. But a lot of people mention that it should have been using a better housing, and hence I have made a better housing. This one, actually I may as well show it in the CAD, uses a snail shell sort of design, which is obviously better than whatever this was. I don't know. I don't know why exactly I did it like this. Well, the main reason is because I originally did it like this. No geometry at all, just a cube. And then I sort of extrapolated from there. I wanted something that was compact. That's why the second version looked like this. It was compact. It fits in like a 12 by 12 cube, 120 by 120 millimeter. But that sort of brings a problem with geometry. So an updated revision was sort of required, and here is a... now I have a background in CAD. I have a... can't exactly call it a degree. It's an A level. I have an A in design technology. That's that sort of stuff. So yeah, this is a bit of a poor excuse, and I'm sorry. But I have made a improvement. Unfortunately, one of the holes is missing. I can't really do too much about that, unfortunately. I probably could, but it's just quick and dirty design. So yeah, this is the original. I'm keeping this the same. I have what I based it off of is actually a Radiant HD. It's a broken HD 6970. And sort of the idea was that it would also go in through the back of the card, like through here, because I have a GTX 470. The GTX 480 is actually in a machine at the moment, but it actually has, as you can see, the back, it sort of flow through design. So, well, not really flow through design, but it goes in through the back of the card and through the top of the card, top and the bottom of the card, so that it will, well, get the most air, because 400 series cards were very spicy, very hot cards. So the idea was that it would pull. So you have the fan here, of course, as you probably saw in the video. This is the improvement. You'd have to like get the screwdriver in through the front of the fan. So this would be a bit of a pain to actually set up. But hey, you're using a ducted shroud for a standard PC fan. It's gonna be awkward. Yeah, those are gonna be a little awkward. Let's do the. Let's put this in there. Okay. Oh, I'm first going to rotate it 90 degrees. No, we're just going to move it just over there. I'm going to select that body, move it, select the origin point, select target point, and that's what it looks like in there. It actually looks like just a proper just squirrel cage fan now, sort of a centrifugal blower fan, which was the idea. That would work way better, but I probably should have done that from the start. Yeah, that was a big brain moment, that was. I saw a little velocity stack at the front. It was completely unnecessary, but I just thought, velocity stack, why not? So yeah, there it is, and we'll do our signature little render, which is, we use appearance. I think blue was the center and green was the outside. Yeah, green's blue is the center, green's the outside. Actually looks quite nice, very good. All right, I guess guess that's that done then. I'm actually quite impressed that it even managed to make it in the first place. Probably should have done something a little better like this in the first place, but I guess it's for you to decide whether whether it is worth it or not to redo the outside housing. Thanks, and bye.